are all kinds of public service announcements hoping to tap into your emotions, filling you with remorse for even thinking it.
Everyone loves the picture I posted of you.
But commercials and campaigns aren't enough to compel everyone to change their habits and rewire their brain to put their phones away while driving. So, a father and daughter team have developed a kind of software that prevents the temptation to reach for your phone.
My Safe Hello is engaged the whole way. I can push buttons, nothing's happening.
The technology disables the driver's phone while the vehicle is in operation. Their invention comes from being too close to tragedies.
The year that I graduated from high school, our community was hit pretty hard with 2 accidents back to back, same weekend, 2 young boys. And it kind of brings you back to, okay, this is why we're doing this.
That's the why, and here's the how. A device is installed underneath the steering column in the onboard diagnostics of the vehicle.
Here we go.
An app is downloaded on your smartphone, and intuitively, once the car is moving, a signal is sent to the driver's phone, rendering it inoperable.
It's like a micro geofence in a car, if you can imagine. So we're dealing with 36 to 42 inch area where the driver's seat is. So we're able to just have that area cordoned off so the driver can't use his phone there and the passenger can. So that's why we're calling it a Safe Halo.
And that halo means passengers can still use their devices, but the driver can't even receive those audible notifications or even vibrations until the car is parked.
We are so conditioned to believe that we need to have access to our phones at all times during the day.
They hope parents will be motivated to install it in their children's vehicles. It's why they have a built-in contingency if, say, that teen driver attempts to enable their phone.
We like to call it trust but verify. So if the child decides to take the app off or throw it out or take the T-up and throw it out the window, we call that a violation. And that violation goes and gets pinged to the authority, which could be the parent, the fleet manager, could be an insurance company.
They hope to officially launch the Safe Halo before the end of the year and make it available on a subscription-type basis for about $100 a year. Jill Croteau, Global News.
And the other thing was,